Let's solve these two equations using the elimination method. X plus y is equal to 9. 3x plus 2y is equal to 22. Eliminate natin si y using the negative 2. Negative 2 times x, negative 2x, negative 2 times y, negative 2y, negative 2 times 9 is equal to negative 18. Rewrite lang natin yung second. 3x plus 2y is equal to 22. Negative 2x plus 3x is equal to x. Negative 2x plus 2y cancel is equal to negative 18 plus 22 is equal to positive 4. So, rewrite natin yung second equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 22. Substitute the x. 3. Value of x equal to 4 plus 2y is equal to 22. 3 times 4 is equal to 12 plus 2y is equal to 22. 2y, the 12 is transposed into the right. 22 minus 12. 2y is equal to 10. Divide both sides by 2. Cancel. Y is equal to 5. So, the solution of x and y is 4 and 5. So now, let's solve these two equations using calculator. Press mode 5, then 1. X is 1, y is 1 is equal to 9. 3, 2 is equal to 22. So, the value of x is equal to 4. The value of y is equal to 5. So, now let's solve these two using elimination method. Write lang natin yung first and second. 3y is equal to 7. 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Multiply in, cancel natin yung y, multiply siya sa 2 and 3. 2 times 2 is equal to 4x. 2 times 3y is equal to 6y. 2 times 7 is equal to 14. 3 times 3x is equal to 9x. 3 minus 2y is equal to negative 6y. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Let's add 9 plus 4x is equal to 13x. Cancel the y is equal to 26. Divide both sides by 13. X is equal to 2. So now, rewrite lang natin yung first equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. The value of x is 2. Substitute natin sa x. 2 times value of x is 2 plus 3y is equal to 7. 2 times 2, 4 plus 3y is equal to 7. 4 plus 3y is equal to 7y is equal to 7. Divide both sides by 7. Y is equal to 1. So, the solution of x and y, x is 2, then y is 1. So now, let's solve those two equations using calculator. Press mode 5 and 1. X is 2, y is 3 is equal to 7. X is 3, y is negative 2 is equal to 4. So, the value of x is 2, the value of y is 1. So now, let's solve this three linear equation system using elimination method. The first is to write the 4x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 12. 2x minus 3y plus 5c is equal to negative 7. So, cancel the x. using negative 2. Rewrite the 4x plus 2y plus 3c is equal to 12. Negative 2 times 2x is equal to negative 4x. Negative 2 times 3y is equal to positive 6y. Negative 2 times 5c is equal to negative 10c. Negative 2 times negative 7 is equal to positive 14. The answer is 8y minus 7z is equal to 26. Next is rewrite the second and third term. 2x minus 3y plus 5c is equal to negative 7. 6x minus y plus 4z is equal to negative 3. Cancel the x using the negative 3. Negative 3 times 2 is equal negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 3y is equal to positive 9y. Negative 3 times 5c is equal to negative 15c. Negative 3 times negative 7 is equal to positive 21. Rewrite the 6x minus y plus 4z is equal to negative 3. Cancel the 6x is equal to 8y minus 11c is equal to 18. So now, rewrite the answer. 8y minus 7z is equal to 26. 8y minus 11z is equal to 18. So now, eliminate the y using multiply by negative 1 in the first answer. Negative 1. Negative 1 times 8y is equal to negative 8y. Negative 1 times negative 7c is equal to positive 7c. Negative 1 times positive 26 is equal to negative 26. Rewrite the second answer. 8y minus 11z is equal to 18. Cancel the y is equal to negative 4z is equal negative 8. Divide both sides by negative 4. Cancel. Z is equal to positive 2. So now rewrite the second answer, which is 8y negative 11 z is equal to positive 18. 8y minus 11, the value ng z is 2, is equal to 18. 8y minus 11 times 2 is 22, is equal to 18. Eight y, then transpose the 22 into right side is equal to 18 positive 22. 8y is equal to 18 plus 22 is 40. Divide both sides by 8. Cancel. Y is equal to 5. Then copy the first term of the given 3 equation. 4x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 12. Let's substitute. 4x plus 2, value ng y is 5 plus 3, value ng z is 2, is equal to 12. 4x plus 2 times 5, 10, plus 3 times 2 is 6, is equal to 12. 4x plus 10 plus 6 is 16, is equal to 12. 4x is equal to 12. The 16 transpose to the right side. 4x is equal to 12 minus 16 is negative 4. Divide both sides by 4. Cancel. X is equal to negative 1. So the solution of x, y, and z is equal to negative 1, 5, and 2. So now let's solve these three equation using a calculator. Press mode 5, then 2. The value of x is 4, the value of y is 2, the value of c is 3, is equal to 12. X is 2x minus 3y plus 5z is equal to negative 7. Next, 6 minus 1 is equal to 4 is equal to negative 3. So, the value of x is negative 1, the value of y is 5, the value of z is 2. So now let's solve these three equations using elimination method. The first is to write the first and second term. X plus y plus z is equal to 2. 6x minus 4y plus 5z is equal to 31. So now eliminate the c using a negative 5. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times y is equal to negative 5y. Negative 5 times c is equal to negative 5c. Negative 5 times 2 is equal to negative 10. Rewrite lang natin yung second equation. 6x minus 4y plus 5z is equal to 31. Negative 5x plus x is equal to x. Negative 5y plus negative 4 is equal to negative 9y. Cancel the z is equal to 21. This is called equation 4. So now, rewrite lang natin yung second and third term. 6x minus 4y plus 5z is equal to 31. 5x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 13. Then, eliminate natin again si z using negative 2 and 5. Negative 2 times 6x is equal to negative 12x. Negative 2 times negative 4 is equal to positive 8y. Negative 2 times 5z is equal to negative 10z. Negative 2 times 31 is equal to negative 62. 5 times 5x is equal to 25x plus 5 times 2y is equal to 10y plus 5 times 2c is equal to 10c is equal to 5 times 13 is 65. Then 13x plus 18y, cancel the z is equal to 3. This is equation 5. So now rewrite these two, equation 4 and equation 5. X minus 9y is equal to 21. Then 13x plus 18y is equal to 3. So now eliminate natin si y using a 2. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times negative 9 is equal to negative 18. 2 times 21 is equal to 42. Then write the 13x plus 18y is equal to 3. Then add 13 plus 2x equal to 15x. Cancel is equal to 45. Divide both sides by 15. Cancel. X is equal to 3. Then rewrite the equation for x minus 9y is equal to 21. Substitute the x is 3 minus 9y is equal to 21. Negative 9y, the 3 is transposed to the right side. 21 minus 3. Negative 9y is equal to 21 minus 3 is equal to 18. Divide both sides by negative 9. Cancel. y is equal to negative 2. Then rewrite the first equation into the given x plus y plus z is equal to 2. The value of x is 3. The value of y is negative 2 plus z is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 plus z is equal to 2. Then transpose the 1 to the right side. 2 minus 1, z is equal to 1. So the solution of xyz is equal to 3, negative 2, 1. So let's solve this three equation using a calculator. Press mode 5, then 2. The value of x is 1, the value of y is 1, the value of z is 1 is equal to 2. 6x minus 4y plus 5z is equal to 31. 5x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 13. Then the value of x is 3, the value of y is negative 2, the value of z is 1. So now let's solve this three equation using elimination method. Rewrite the second term and third term. 3x minus 3y minus z is equal to 5. X minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6. Then eliminate y using a 3. 3 times 3x is equal to 9x. 3 times 3y is equal to 9y. 3 times z is equal to 3z. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Then write x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6. Let's add. 9 plus x is equal to minus 11y. Cancel is equal to 21. This is equation 4. So now rewrite the first and second term. 2x plus y minus 2z is equal to negative 1. 3x minus 3y minus z is equal to 5. Then eliminate the z using negative 2. Rewrite the first term. 2x plus y minus 2z is equal to negative 1. Negative 2 times 3x is equal to negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 3y is equal to positive 6y. Negative 2 times negative z is equal to positive 2z. Negative 2 times 5 is 10. Negative 6 plus 2x is equal to negative 4x plus 7y. Cancel is equal to negative 11. So now rewrite the equation 4 and equation 5. Negative 4x plus 7y is equal to negative 11. Then 10x minus 11y equal to 21. Eliminate the x using 5 and 2. 5 times negative 4x, negative 20x. 5 times 7y is equal to 35y. 5 times negative 11 is equal to negative 55. 2 times 10x equal to 20x. 2 times negative 11 is equal to negative 22y. 2 times 21 is equal to 42. Cancel the x is equal to 13y equal to negative 13. Divide both sides by 13. Cancel. Y is equal to negative 1. Then rewrite the equation 5. Negative 4x plus 7y is equal to negative 11. Substitute the y, negative 4x plus 7, value of y is negative 1 is equal to negative 11. Negative 4x plus 7 times negative 1 is equal to negative 7, equal to negative 11. Negative 4x is equal to negative 11 transpose the negative 7 is equal to right side. Negative 4x is equal to negative 4. Divide both sides by negative 4. Cancel. X is equal to 1. Then rewrite the first term of 2x plus y minus 2z is equal to negative 1. Substitute the 2. X is 1. Y is negative 1 minus 2z is equal to negative 1. 2 times 1, 2 plus negative 1 minus 2z equal to negative 1. 2 plus negative 1 is 1 minus 2z is equal to negative 1. 1 minus 2z is equal to negative 1z is equal to negative 1. Divide both sides by negative 1. Cancel. Z is equal to 1. So the solution of xyz is equal to 1, negative 1, and 1. And this is the answer. So now let's solve these three equations using a calculator. Press mode 5, 2. X is 2, y is 1, z is negative 2 is equal to negative 1. X is 3, y is negative 3, z is negative 1 equal to 5. X is 1, y is negative 2, z is 3 equal to 6. Then the value of x is 1, the value of y is negative 1, the value of z is 1.